This is a final video to fix the confusion about installing apps safely on GrapheneOS without Play Store or F Droid. Are you struggling to get your favorite apps without risking your privacy? The problem happens because GrapheneOS blocks traditional app stores to keep your phone secure, but that makes it tricky to install apps safely. Most tutorials online are long, confusing, and full of steps that are hard to follow. On Rexist, I will show you a secret easy trick that lets you install apps safely in just a few simple steps without compromising your security. All you need is a secure APK source and a few settings tweaks, and you're ready to go. If you want, comment below and I will make a full step-by-step tutorial showing exactly how to do it on GrapheneOS without using Play Store or F Droid.